This is Matthew with Another World Terraria, where I teach and inspire you on the topics of rare plants and artistic nature displays. You're not going to want to miss this unboxing of several beautiful rare jungle plants. Okay, let's get this underway. Open up the bag here, take out the first plant. This right here is what is labeled as Argostemma species. So this may or may not be an Argostemma, but you can see it's got some really beautiful raised veins and texture. The leaves have kind of a waxy feeling to them. It's almost like wax. Very interesting. Nice shape and a nice small little plant, so that's a good one. Alright, next plant is labeled as Sauvagesia species. This one has, similar to the Argostemma, a raised, textured leaf with a serrated edge on this one, and that is a really cool little small plant. Okay, and here we have some species of fern that's unidentified. This is potentially one of my new favorite plants ever. This thing is really beautiful, very graceful and delicate. Beautiful fern. Kind of a rhizome that creeps, which is nice because that means it will spread. In any case, it's just got really nice fronds. Something I just noticed, and I was examining with my my loupe here, my magnifier, is that this fern all across the fronds and the stems has various things that look like they could potentially be types of insects, like scale insects. Obviously don't look that good. There's like brown spots and different things that just looks like disease or insect damage. Not many people would really think to do this, but I'm actually going to completely just chop all this off right now. I'm just going to go down here and cut all this off. It's not going to be pretty, and it's definitely going to take a very long time to get any nice plant from this, but it's definitely got a better chance of success than if I leave those fronds on there that could potentially be infested with insects or disease. It's never fun to do this kind of thing, but I would rather do it and then have the chance that the plant comes back healthy and doesn't have insects. There's still a chance that these rhizomes could have eggs or insects, babies, whatever in there, but it's much less of a chance. I'm going to put it in distilled water and I'll just gently rinse it and kind of shake it, maybe even brush it with a little small paintbrush just to try and wipe off anything. And then I'll just go plant these in a sterile environment in a quarantine, and I'll just dump these, and then I'm going to disinfect my table and my shears and everything to make sure that that's all disinfected before I work with any other plants. And I'll change my gloves as well, or disinfect these gloves to reuse them. Here I've planted all of these new beauties in one of my typical grow bins, and I also threw in a variety of tropical mosses and liverworts to utilize some of that extra space. These are good to go, so I'm just going to let them do their thing, and we'll check up on them in the future. To learn exactly how you can make grow bins just like mine, watch my Bioactive Grow Bin tutorial series.